this next time, I'm gonna keep a little more space so you can make a better move. He's too slow.
I barely
Yes,
moved.
right. In fact, this time, if you want, you can take like 2 or 3 running steps. Make sure you hold that sleeve out. I'm not gonna let you go as far as to give you smelling, okay? Just, yeah. But we'll try it,
Run a little
okay?
slower this time too.
No, just run your normal thing, but just keep the sleeve out.
Yeah.
He'll go for the sleeve, I promise. He loves the sleeve.
I believe it.
Out! Okay, good. Let me kick this one here. Ah! Sit!
Do you want me to hold a little bit before I take off, or you just want me to go?
Yeah, just, I'll get him to bark, and, or you may want to get more like over this way, don't you think? So that when she takes off, you'll get a good shot.
Okay.
Rub here! Keep him right here. Rub here! Rub here! Rub here! Rub here! Rub here! You gotta bark at least once, Abby. Rub here! Rub
You're
here!
too tired, maybe?
Yeah, he is. Rub here! Rub here! Rub here! Rub here! Rub here! Rub here! Havoc! Rub here! Rub here!
Should I just go?
Havoc!